In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an inner fender liner on your Ford Expedition. Let's get started. Using a 22mm socket, remove the 6 lug nuts. And remove the wheel. Using a 5.5mm socket, we're going to remove all of the screws around the inner fender liner. In the front top part of the inner fender liner, you're going to find 2 tabs poking through. You can reach up behind the fender liner, and you'll find a flap. I'm going to grab that flap, and then with a flat blade screwdriver, push that pin through. And pop those 2 clips out. Using a trim tool, I'm going to remove the clips in the top of the fender liner. Just one more right here. We're going to remove the 3 white clips from the inner fender liner. I'm going to reach up behind and grab this first one and pull it out. And I'll use a pick on the second one and push it up and out. And the same thing on the third. We're on the back side of the fender liner on the bottom. There's 1 clip. Remove that. Once the clip is out, we're going to push the fender liner forward and remove it from the vehicle. Install the inner fender liner. Install the flap on the bottom. Install the clip. We're going to go around and install the screws on the inner fender liner. Install the 2 screws on the bottom of the back side of the inner fender liner. We only have the top one. Our bottom one broke. Install the 2 screws in the front of the fender liner. And then 1 more right here. We're going to reach up behind our inner fender liner, and we're going to install the little clips right here. To help find the hole, I'm going to use a little pick and stick it up inside and use that as a guide to help me find the hole to put the clips. Reach up and get the second one as well. Install the clip here. And we'll reach up behind and install our ABS sensor into the fender liner. Install the harness clips. Install the wheel and get the lug nuts started. Snug down the lug nuts. Torque the lug nuts to 150 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.